looking at the Astro Excel chart plotted in Ninja, and below that is the Cosmo chart, looking at the 60-minute ES, picking up the start of the week on Memorial Day. On the green line here, we had the green line low, which synced up fairly closely with the market low on the 23rd. And then we've been in this upward trend. This green line trend is going to go into late on the 27th before it reverses back down. It's still in bullish territory. We're between the 0 and plus 10 line where we bottom out here. I've got the plus 10 and the minus 10 in a bolder display. And then we're going to pretty much be riding that plus 10 line most of the rest of the week until we get into the early part of Friday. And then we start drifting down towards 0. The blue line, we've got some important peaks. We've got the one here. Let me get a cursor. The first big peak is here around 9 a.m. on the 28th. And then we really don't get outside the 10 lines again. Looking at the Cosmo, on the value 3, the purple line, we have an important spike low around 7:30 on the 27th, another on the 28th around the same time as the day cycle kicks back to it. Then on the 30th, we're about just a little bit after 7, coinciding with the higher low on the blue line there. Now we've got some good alignments where the Cosmo is in sync with the blue line on the Astro Excel. The first one being on the 27th, which is in the slow part of the day at 1900 Eastern Time. The next one is going to be right here on that big spike purple line bottom on the Cosmo. Coincides with the low on the Astro Excel blue line again, 1930 in the slow period. Then on the 29th, we've got a coincidence here at about 5 a.m., 6 a.m., between 5:30 and 6. Then we've got this alignment here for 12:51, and then the last one is going to be out of the session about 2200 hours. But I just wanted to show a few points where the Cosmo aligns with the Astro Excel blue line. These are completely uncorrelated astro techniques, so the Cosmo is not redundant to the Astro Excel lines. They're completely different calculations. That Astro Excel blue line is based on lunar movement, where the Cosmo is a composite energy calculation of all the planets in the moon, and it's a completely different calculation than what is being used for the blue line.